Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Google account and creating the calendar event for the webinar. Select the Meet Conferencing option, Add Presenters, and choose Privacy, Public, Organization Only, or Private. Once done, attach your slide deck and any resource links in the event description. Make sure you schedule a rehearsal 15-30 minutes before start and confirm a backup device for audio and video so you're ready to begin without delay. Now, open Google Meet and join as the organizer. Configure host controls immediately. Enable or disable participant mic and camera permissions, and decide whether chat and queue are allowed. Once configured, assign co-hosts or moderators so they can manage attendees. When sharing, pick entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab for best audio sync. This matters for videos. Also enable recording and live captions if you need a transcript or on-demand replay. Begin on time. Welcome attendees, cover housekeeping, and state the agenda so everyone knows what to expect. As you present, record the session and let co-hosts monitor Q&A and participant audio. This keeps flow smooth. Use screen share for slides and switch presenters via the participant menu. If audio or video stops, try toggling camera or mic, switch to your backup device, or leave and rejoin the meet. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.